Very much. Stormy weather's here this morning. Winds last night caused damage before the storms we're seeing today.
That's right. Saul Garza live in Carrollton with a look.
Good morning. Yeah, the winds not too bad as they were last night, but still a little breezy out here. We are at the Easy Trip convenience store here on Old Denton Road in Frankfort, where you can see behind me here the pumps shut down, cordoned off because of that damage caused by the winds. Happened last night around 7, 8 o'clock, so it was during a busy time of the evening. Luckily, though, there was nobody there, nobody pumping gas when those winds picked up and then brought down that metal awning. No one injured. Those wind gusts again continue this morning, but not as bad as last night, and so the pumps are out of order, but the store is open. Again, that metal came down right on top of those gas pumps, and again, had somebody been there filling up, they could have been seriously injured. Reporting live in Carrollton this morning, Saul Garza for Good Day.